Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage storage and free up space on Motorola Moto G67. First, go into Settings. Then find Storage. Right here you can see how much storage is used and the total storage, along with every category like apps, games, images, and how much space they use. You can go to Free Up Space and see downloads, images, videos, audio, documents, and more. I have only apps here, so I can uninstall them quickly. You have the same options for downloads and images, where you can delete them. Also, you can go to Games, see all your games, and uninstall them. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next